So, social media platform Rumble has announced that it has achieved a new all-time high for average concurrent creator live streams. On January 20th, 2025, the new record surpassed the previous one set on December 6th and on the night of the recent election. Now, the company shared this achievement on Platform X, highlighting the significant growth it has experienced since the election. One of the reasons why we see the price pumping is because a couple of months ago they announced a Bitcoin reserve strategy, and today they purchased their first Bitcoin as part of a $20 million Bitcoin reserve. So let's revisit where price was to potentially know where price is going. And for that, we'll have to go down to the weekly time frame. And what I want to bring to your attention is we have one of the ways you know that price is bottom in this case is when price starts forming levels of interest in terms of buyers. And we had our first one back in January of 2024 where you had a false breakout to the downside only for price to form a drop, a base, and a rally weekly buy level at $3.50. Next, we had another level form as price pulled back. You had a drop, base, and then a rally. Now this one was somewhat suspect because this leg higher never took out the pivot high to the left. So that lowered the probability of this level working out. But nevertheless, it did, depending on where you put your stop, it did work as price did pull back before moving higher. Now, as part of this weekly buy level, you had a daily buy level. And that was formed from this original weekly buy level. You had a rally, a basing candle, and then the rally out. Price dipped its toes in several times. 1, 2, 3, and a fourth time. Now, what's interesting about the price action as price hovered in this zone for multiple weeks, you had price form a W pattern. Not the prettiest, but a double pattern is a double bottom essentially. Now, what price action has going for itself, all the moving averages are starting to trend to upwards. They're expanding, so price action has to wait for the moving averages to catch up somewhat. And this is why you have this pullback. Price action was overextended from the moving averages. Now, if you are an aggressive trader, you could have went long on that trend line break. For conservative investors, you can wait, but you might not get filled, waiting for this price to fill this gap. So for hybrid investors, between conservative and aggressive, you could wait for price action to take out this recent resistance at $14. You could also start scaling in so that you don't miss the move if it goes higher or if it moves down, you can dollar cost average. So there's multiple ways to skin this cat. Let me know what you think in the comments. Is Rumble a buy, sell, or a hold? Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like the video.